Damn it.
Oh, I don't have my phone with me.
Damn it.
What?
Should move all my shit.
Get hair all over your stuff, yeah.
Oh, they can't even see the back.
Maybe Raimi wants to try.
She's having fun.
She's sitting on Chan's lap. You knew? You gotta say it like that. You knew? Metal Gear Solid? Yeah, the game's fucking called Metal Gear Solid, dumbass. You knew?
Yeah. Okay, I go shower and then I fix it some more.